Hi everybody, Levi Clay here, back again for another daily transcription. Please do help the channel out by hitting that subscribe button and share this classic video with your friends. Today we are looking at the one and only Paul Gilbert. This is an iconic solo that comes from the early days of the internet. I certainly remember this being shared around a lot in my youth among guitar players, and we were all just blown away by what Paul was capable of. It's taken from Mr. Big's Live and Kicking concert, which was also released on CD as Raw Like Sushi Volume 2. It's a wonderful solo. I always refer to this as the Everybody Pants solo because he's wearing pants that say everybody on them. Now, if you're unfamiliar with Paul's work, well, why? He is such a prolific player and teacher as well. It's probably worth considering. He's a very respected teacher thanks to his work on Artist Works, but his classic instructional videos, Intense Rock 1 and 2, and The Terrifying Guitar Trip, and Guitars from Mars Volume 1 and 2. There was a Get Out of My Yard instructional video. You get the idea. He's put a lot of educational material out there. But as a recording artist, you can check out his work with Racer X. Of course, the first album, Street Lethal, is fantastic. I prefer the second album, Second Heat, which features Bruce Bouillet on second guitar. The harmonies on that are outrageous. So, yeah, by all means, check out Racer X. I'm also a huge fan of his band, Mr. Big. The first self-titled album is great, but Lean Into It, which this was the tour for that record. Fantastic record. It has some great tunes on there. So well worth checking out, like absolutely well worth checking out if you're unfamiliar with Mr. Big. And of course, he now has a very long and extensive solo career. So do consider going to check it out. This is a nice clip. I really love the neoclassical string skipped arpeggios in this clip. This is just one of those ones that I can always hear in my head because I remember hearing this as a kid and just being like, how is he playing that? That sounds fantastic. So very, very cool solo. I really do hope you enjoy it. Leave a comment below. Let me know how you get on with it. And I will see you for another video tomorrow. Laters.
Welcome back to Tokyo, Paul Gilbert!